having a body pain? Always getting sick?
You have the power to protect yourself, boost your immunity, and build a healthier life with this simple step. Exercise is like giving your body a superpower to fight off germs. Sports, jogging, and stretching help your heart reduce stress and keep you from gaining too much weight. This makes your body stronger and better at fighting off illness. It's like building a strong castle to defend against invaders. Here are some examples of exercise. First, playing basketball makes your heart strong and less likely to get sick. Second, going for a run helps you control sugar in your blood and keep you from getting diabetes. Third, stretching helps you relax and feel less stressed, which is good for immune system. Fourth, regular exercise keeps you healthy and strong, making it harder for germs to make you sick.